Hi, beautiful people. Cook dinner with me. So for dinner tonight, we have burgers with some sweet corn. So I firstly fried up the burger patties, and then while the burger patties was going, I put up some sweet corn, and while the sweet corn was cooking, I chopped up some tomatoes and cucumbers in. When the sweet corn was done boiling, I rinsed off my lettuce and then I dried it. And after that, I started assembling my plate. I would like to say thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. I'm like, yes, we growing and I love it. Like 2 years back, I never thought I would have reached 400 subscribers, but I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much. This meal most definitely was a goodie. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.